Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are not having any high impact news into the market today. So let's directly jump to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and as I had explained that the previous month's candle closed within this candle's range, which is a sign of a weakness in the trend right now. And currently we are sweeping the previous month's high, that is an extreme high. So I'm anticipating that maybe we can see a pull down into the lower time frame. So let's see if we are getting the alignment. As we move into the weeklies, what we can see is that the weekly also swept the previous swing, but we respected this FVG, which means that there is still bullish trend into the market right now. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, we can see this bullishness into the price because we were having this FVG and the price reacted to this FVG and moved into the upside direction after sweeping the previous day's low. So currently we are at this price range. So this is quite a deciding range if the price is going to go up or we are going to go down. So let's move to the 4 hours to see what do we have in here. As we move into the 4 hour, we can see that the price sprung up, leaving FVGs, which is a sign of a strong hand into the buyer side. So it will be a matter to see that if we are going to get a close above this wick or not. So if we are going to respect this wick and we are going to respect this 4H FVG, actually we are having 2 FVG over here, this extreme FVG and the current FVG right now. But I'll be anticipating that if we are going to leave this FVG, we still have 9 minutes, then if the price reacts to it, then most likely this high will become a vulnerable high for the price and we are going to target the extreme liquidity sitting above it. So let's move to the 1 hour directly. As we move into the 1 hour, the 1 hour have the confluence because we didn't mitigate any FVG even in 1 hour or maybe in 2 hour too. Yeah, even in 2 hour, the FVGs are not mitigated. So here we are having the confluence of the 4 hour into the 2 hour and 1 hour. So let's move to 30 minutes to define our bias. So this is the 30-minute chart, and what I'm anticipating now is that there can be actually three possible scenarios. Either we are going to go higher, give a close above, and then we are going to mitigate from this area and go high, or we are going to come down and mitigate this FVG and then go higher. These are the two possible scenarios in the buy side. And if that doesn't happen, then we'll be seeing the price coming back to this FVG. We will get a response, take some liquidity over here, and then we will go down. And not only that, we will have some kind of a similar scenario and we will continue our journey into the downward side. And if we break this low, this particular low, then most likely the price will show that it is going to be bearish in the coming future. So this is what I'm anticipating right now. What are your thoughts on today's bias of Euro USD? Do write me into the comments. And if you have any suggestion, so for that also the comment box is open. Till then, keep learning and keep spreading. Stay happy.